In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Amazon reviews to Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can quickly bring over your existing Amazon social proof and display it on your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down menu, choose Apps. In the search field, type Amazon reviews and press enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for an app called Judge.me Product Reviews. Click on it to open the app's information page, then install it and follow the on-screen prompts. When the installation finishes, you'll be taken automatically to the Judge.me dashboard inside your Shopify admin. Once you're on the Judge.me dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. Under the Judge.me Reviews section, click on Reviews. In the main area, click Import Reviews, either from the center of the page or from the top right corner. You'll now see different options for how you can import reviews. Choose the option that says Import from other platforms. Scroll down until you find Amazon Reviews Importer and click on that. Inside the Amazon Reviews Importer section, click the button that says Import Reviews. A set of instructions will appear explaining how to pull reviews from Amazon. Look for the hyperlink labeled Amazon Reviews Extractor and click it. This will open the Chrome Web Store page for the Amazon Reviews Extractor extension. Add this extension to your browser by clicking the button to download and install it. Next, go to Amazon in your browser and make sure you're logged in. Open the product page for the item whose reviews you want to export. Once you're on that product page, click the Amazon Reviews Extractor extension icon, usually found at the top right of your browser. A panel will open with a number of options. You can use the search box to filter reviews by keyword if you only want reviews mentioning something specific. Under Date Time Format, choose the date format you prefer. Under Sort By, decide whether you want top reviews or the most recent ones. Under Filter By, choose between all reviews or verified purchase only. Under Stars, you can select all ratings or narrow it down, for example, to only 4 and 5-star reviews, or just critical reviews. Under Contents, pick whether you want text reviews, image reviews, video reviews, or only reviews that contain images and videos. You can also set how many reviews you want to export. When you're happy with your filters, click Export Review at the top. A CSV file containing those reviews will be downloaded to your computer. When the download is finished, go back to the Judge.me Reviews dashboard in your Shopify admin. Click Upload File. A file picker window will open so you can locate the CSV file you just downloaded. Select that file and click Open in the bottom right corner of the window. Under Import Reviews, choose Store Reviews, then click Import at the bottom right. After a moment, you may see a confirmation pop up letting you know the upload is complete. To confirm everything worked, click Reviews again on the left panel under Judge.me Reviews. You should now see the Amazon reviews you just imported, ready to be displayed on your Shopify store.